good. We got our boy Matt in from Montreal. This is the beginning of the vlog, bro, so say what up.
What's happening, everyone? Just touched down in Van. I've been here like 6 years. Callie's giving me a nice little tour. I'm gonna go out and have a good time.
Yeah, this guy's my day one.
Neighbors back in the
Neighbors back in the day in Montreal when I lived in Montreal.
Still going at it.
Yep.
15 years later.
Full day of eating or what?
Starting off with a little salted chocolate chip cookie
Okay.
from Sonder Coffee.
Yep. Well, that's fire.
Great spot. 10 on 10.
You see this concrete? This is fire. This is like essence. Yeah,
I'm in the market for these 2002s.
Yeah, those are hard, bro.
Marissa actually sent me these yesterday and asked me if she should buy them. I think I might want to fucking buy them.
These ones are really hard, man.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna ask if they have one.
I have a pair of these and they're super comfortable. This is the 990s. Details.
I just got another diamond crew neck like this. Otherwise, I would cost this for sure.
Yeah.
Get it.
What's the move now?
Hit some thrifts. We're gonna get a little Chipotle.
Yeah.
Fill up the tummy. Go for a little walk. Hit some more stores.
Yeah.
Got a little event going on at 6 p.m. You know the vibe.
Gonna go to a couple more vintage stores.
It's a great day to have a great day.
Yeah. Beautiful day. It's getting hotter right now, so. Which one? Which one? New Balance? Then you got the Tommies with the fit. Hey, buddy.
It's beautiful.
Little fluff. This is what I'm looking for.
Oh my god.
So I just wanted to add this little segment in the video. I'm filming this part a week later, but I just wanted to show some pickups that I got from this day since I didn't share them. And so first off, in terms of pickups, I ended up getting these Dickies shorts. When it comes to my wardrobe, I've been really wanting to kind of expand and get pieces that I don't have, rather than getting more t-shirts or like, you know, like vintage t-shirts or like athletic shorts or things that I already have. I've been wanting to get more like things that I don't have in my wardrobe. So this is a perfect example. These are Dickies shorts and they're a bit bigger. Like I have so many pairs of shorts that are 5-inch athletic shorts, you know, but I don't have any that are a bit bigger and baggier. So these fit really nice. And then second pickup I got from this day was these Tommy jorts. I've been wanting jorts for a while. So we went to a vintage store called F as in Frank. It's in Vancouver. And I tried on a couple different pairs of shorts, like jean shorts, lighter ones. And I didn't really like the look of the lighter ones because I feel like they're very trendy right now. And I feel like I personally wouldn't wear them. I couldn't see myself wearing them like next summer. I didn't want to just chase the trend. And I feel like these are more timeless. Like I can actually wear these more. The light blue ones were giving me like farmer's vibes. I just wasn't with it. And I really like the fit of these two. They're a lot baggier than most of my shorts, so it's something that I'm adding that's new to my closet. So
Park next to other cars.
Here, let me get.
It won't hit the other car.
That's sick. Little stiffy.
Showing myself, a spin.
Whoa! Holy.
I thought I had it, I didn't have it. See you on the other side, bro.
Whoa. That's like a large slide.
Yeah.
Here we go. Saturday morning, work.
Ready to go, sweat out the booze, you know the
Yeah, sweat it out. Then dim sum after this with the boys. Gotta say about the hotel gym.
Can't complain, honestly.
Yo, mirrors everywhere.
Squat racks.
Crazy. Yeah, for a hotel gym, it's like one of the better ones I've seen.
Yeah, took that bitch back to the block, Heard a nigga just got. Hey yo, you went to your bitches, she told you. The first time I got knocked was on mashing on my feet, chefing dope before you. Body in the Bentley trunk, spoil all your base out of space. If I'm living, then I'm loyal. 9/11 with the wing, couple bodies on the scene. That's when they had to face.
The boys are dialed. Hey, let's go.
I'll take the timer off and leave in 2 minutes.
This is for the boys
What we're putting on.
and the girls. Guys, we gotta stay dialed this summer, eh? No more barrel.
No more barrel.
It's dial season.
Gotta delete it.
If you're drinking, try to get a workout in the next day.
Skip the beer, straight to hard liquor. Less calories.
There you go. Come on, you gotta do the work. If you want it, you gotta do the work.
Gotta put the work in.
You gotta put the work in, for real. That's all I gotta say. Look at that view.
And then barbecue.
It's everywhere.
What's going
It's
on
madness.
here
It's
right
madness.
Barbecue pork bun. Also,
Oh wait.
no pork.
Hold on. No,
barbecue,
thank you.
Yeah, steamed
Chas-
pork bun.
Chassis bao, please. Wait, did you order this?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. No spring roll. No chow mein. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you.
I know all the details.
Yes, sir. So,
Check it out.
it's Sunday.
Sunday vibes.
We got the donuts.
Little cortado.
Cortado. So nice. It's supposed to get like 30 degrees. I rented out a studio space to shoot content. We have that for 3 hours. And then we might go bike around Stanley Park, just vibe.
Summer vibes.
I'm feeling the drinks from last night.
Oh yeah.
Kept it healthy.
Going after it, keeping it healthy. It's all
That's
about
right.
balance, guys, okay?
Yep.
Get some sleep.
It's Earl Grey.
What are we rating? Very nice.
See this? Damn, citrus glaze. Oh yeah. Fluff.
Some smoked maple walnut. Look at this. Look at the texture. One bite. Look at that fluff.
Jeez. Yeah, sir. Cut my finger off.
Look at that.
Sit down with some wine. Okay, is that a
Is it
rosé?
Riesling? No, it's a Riesling. Very nice. A little German wine, very fresh.
Very nice, very nice. We're good to go. Clean. Honestly, I'm gonna wait till I get the screen. It's ready to go right now, so. Good to go? You get the receipt?
Almost. I just gotta get you to sign a couple things. Sure.
Yeah, took that bitch back to the block, Heard a nigga just got.